For today's video, come and join me as I'm going to tour you to an amazing and wonderful spot here in Cartagena, Colombia. It's just a 5 minutes walk away from the ship. This port offers a free visit to all tourists and seafarers to witness the natural and beautiful scenery, which is called the Port Oasis. And you will have a chance to experience a close contact with a different type of birds. There are different species of parrots based on their colors, sizes, and characteristics. Feel free to touch, feed, or even have a cute selfie with those lovely birds. Of course, you will also see peacocks and flamingos while walking around the place. A very convenient place to go, where tables and chairs are available, coffee shop, and souvenir stores. Another well-known and famous visited coffee house in Colombia is the Juan Valdez Coffee. Featuring the iconic fictional farmer Juan Valdez and his donkey, they offer a wide range of products from full beans to instant coffee and drinks. Juan Valdez is a symbol of an authentic Colombian coffee committed to its farmers and the environment. So if you do love this video, please like, share, and comment. Have a great day ahead, keep safe, and God bless you travelers.